look at this chart. Price is breaking out strongly here. No indicators, no fancy tools. Imagine this is happening live. Would you take the trade? Most traders see this kind of breakout and they jump in immediately. But many of these breakouts are actually traps. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to filter out fake breakouts and trade only the high probability ones using just two tools, RSI and VWAP. Stay with me until the end and I will explain the best time frames and markets to use this strategy. VWAP explained. The first tool is VWAP, which stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. VWAP is a line on your chart that represents the average price, weighted by volume throughout the trading day. Unlike a simple moving average, VWAP takes into account how much volume was traded at each price level. This makes it a powerful tool to understand where institutional traders and smart money are positioned. Many professional traders use VWAP as a trend filter. When the price stays above VWAP for most of the day, it signals a bullish environment. When it stays below, it signals bearish conditions. By using VWAP, we can decide whether to focus on buying or selling opportunities. RSI explained. The second tool is RSI, or Relative Strength Index. RSI is an oscillator that moves between 0 and 100. Traditionally, values above 70 indicate overbought conditions, and value below 30 indicates oversold conditions. But in this strategy, we don't just use RSI for overbought and oversold. We use it to confirm momentum during breakouts. When RSI crosses above the 50 level, it shows bullish momentum is starting to build. When RSI crosses below 50, it shows bearish momentum is increasing. This simple shift gives us valuable confirmation that price action and momentum are moving in the same direction. Strategy logic. As we said earlier, the core idea is simple. VWAP tells us whether the market is bullish or bearish. RSI shows the strength of the price movement. For a bullish breakout, price must break above VWAP with a strong bullish candle. At the same time, RSI must crosses above 50, showing clear upward momentum. When both conditions happen together, it's a green light to look for a long entry. For a bearish breakout, price must break below VWAP with a strong bearish candle. RSI must crosses below 50, showing clear downward momentum. When these two conditions align, it's a signal to look for a short trade. Remember, if only one tool gives a signal but the other doesn't confirm, skip the trade. This is how we avoid weak setups and fake breakouts. Real market examples. Let's see a real bullish example. Here in this chart, price has been moving sideways for a few candles. VWAP was flat and RSI was close to 50. Then a strong bullish candle broke above the consolidation range and also pushed price above VWAP. At the exact same time, RSI crossed the 50 level with clear momentum. This is a bullish breakout signal. The entry can be taken at the close of the breakout candle. For the stop loss, you can place it below the recent swing low. This gives the trade enough breathing room while keeping risk controlled. For the take profit, set it at a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, meaning your profit target is twice the size of your stop loss. As you can see, the price moved up and reached our profit target. Now let's look at a real bearish example. Price had been moving sideways for a while, slightly above VWAP, and RSI was around 50. Then a strong bearish candle broke below the consolidation range and pushed price below VWAP. At the same time, RSI crossed below the 50 line, showing clear downward momentum. This is a bearish breakout signal. The entry can be taken at the close of the breakout candle. For the stop loss, you can place it above the recent swing high. This keeps your risk controlled while giving the trade enough space to move. For take profit, set it at a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, meaning your profit target is twice the size of your stop loss. As you can see, the price moved down and reached our profit target. Fake breakout example. Now let's see a fake breakout to understand why both confirmations are important. Here the price suddenly pushed above VWAP with a bullish candle, but RSI stayed flat below 50, showing no momentum confirmation. Many traders would see the breakout candle and buy immediately, but without RSI confirmation, this breakout had a weak foundation. Just a few candles later, the price reversed sharply and dropped back below VWAP, stopping out traders who entered blindly. This example shows why we never rely on just one tool. Both VWAP and RSI need to confirm before taking a trade. This increases your chance of success. Best time frames and markets. This strategy works on different time frames, but there are many recommendations. 1 minute and 50 minutes for intraday trading, 1 hour or 4 hours for swing trading. It works well on Forex, crypto, and stocks. Just make sure there's enough volume in the market. Thin or low volume assets don't respect VWAP well. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about some mistakes beginners make with this strategy. Chasing the candle too late. If you enter after the breakout candle has already moved too far, your stop loss will be wide and the risk to reward poor. Instead, enter the trade right at the close of the breakout candle. Ignore VWAP position. Many beginners see a breakout and enter, but the price is still below VWAP. This is a red flag. The breakout might not have real strength yet. Always check VWAP first. Trade when RSI is flat around 50. If RSI is not clearly above or below 50, it means momentum is weak. Don't force trades. Only take setups when RSI clearly confirms the direction. Quiz section. Now it's time for a quick quiz to see if you really understood today's lesson. Look at this chart. Price is breaking above VWAP, but RSI is still below 50. Based on the strategy we learned, should you enter a buy trade here? A. Yes, because the price is above VWAP. B. No, because RSI hasn't confirmed the momentum. Write your answer in comments below and let's see who really got it right. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. By using VWAP and RSI together, you can filter out fake breakouts and focus only on high probability trades. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more trading strategies. Also, here's a tip for your next video. The RSI and Heikin-Ashi strategy is another powerful method I highly recommend. Thanks for watching and happy trading!